Hi friends, in this video we will understand distinct keyword in SQL, that how we can use distinct in select statement. What is the purpose of distinct is that it will give us the unique data from the table. So like I have a table with these values, like I have 3 rows with, like we can see that I have first row is duplicate, like same employee code, same employee first name, same employee last name, same employee gender. But my third row is distinct, different than them. If our requirement is only to filter the distinct employees from the table, then what we will do, we will write the keyword select, then distinct. We will write all the columns from the table and we will run the query. You can see it has filtered the duplicate entry from here. I have only 2 rows now. So friends, whenever you need to like filter the unique values to remove the duplicacy, we can use distinct keyword there. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.